What's going on, Fam Club? It's finally Scarlet and Violet 151 release day. I feel like we've been waiting for it for a long time. The set is absolutely amazing. The artworks are gorgeous. I cannot wait to master it. I'm wicked excited. I keep ordering more and more. I've even ordered more stuff today. There's a pretty good deal that I'll talk about in a little bit. Today, I thought we would go over the release schedule really quickly so you know when each collection comes out, where the promos are that you can pick up for this set if you really want to get it all. Also, we're going to look at some release pull rates because it's definitely going to play out as to whether or not you want to rip too much or start buying those singles. And I'm going to show you exactly what kind of value you can expect if you go the ripping route versus buying the singles. And of course, they're tanking already, but we'll go into that. All right, so right now, if you've already opened some, please post down below how many packs you've opened and the hits that you've gotten from it. And let's get to it. As far as the release schedule goes, what you should find on shelves and in stores right now are the Elite Trainer boxes, the booster bundles, and the poster collection. Now, I went to my Walmart last night. I caught MJ Holdings stocking the shelves, and they had the ETBs and the poster collections. They didn't have any booster bundles. They did have some booster bundles of One Piece. I picked up a couple of those. They're not real booster bundles. They're 2-pack bundles. Walmart's going to charge you $55 for the ETBs, which is a little bit crazy. Although there's not a lot of deals going on right now. People did have the ETBs for $40 on some of the various sites, so you might be able to get a deal. So those are the 3 things that you can buy right now. Again, the poster collection is about $15. You can get it for about $13.50 if you find it online. Not a huge savings, and you got to factor in shipping and taxes. Who knows what else? So by all means, if you pop into Target or Walmart and you see them on the shelves and you want one, pick it up. You're not going to save a huge amount buying it later on. I do have a deal for you at the end of this, though. So if you're looking to pick up all the promos that you can get right now, GameStop does have a promo, Charmander, that they're giving out. If you can get it, there was so much trouble with the last set. I don't know how easily you're going to be able to find it. Best Buy has a Bulbasaur promo with the 151 stamp, so it's a really nice looking card. Again, they did so terrible with the last promo. I don't know if you're going to be able to find it, but if you pop into Best Buy this weekend, make sure you ask for it at the register and at the front desk. The customer service, you might be able to pick it up. Now, the poster collection is going to get you 3 more nice promos for this set. It's the 3 starters, all promo stamped with like a galaxy foil on there. So that's another nice little collection that you can pick up. Now, when I was at Walmart last night, I picked up a poster collection, and I'm actually shocked at just how gigantic this poster is. So the box was bigger than I expected, and the poster is much larger than I expected. We're all kids, but if you have a kid that loves Pokemon, fantastic poster right here with all of the artworks from the collection. So definitely worth picking up if you want this poster or those promo cards. Now, in 2 weeks, the Ultra Premium Collection is going to come out on October 6th. Also, the Alakazam and Zapdos EX boxes are going to come out then, and the mini tins. So they're staggering it out a little bit, just letting you know so you don't expect to find those on the shelf. And if you want that 3rd promo, it's too late. The Squirtle with the Pokemon Center stamp, you had to order a UPC from them quite a while ago with a special promotion that they were doing at the time. You might be able to find them on eBay after October 6th when they start shipping out. I have a feeling people are going to charge at least $20, but we'll see. Hopefully they run for cheaper if you're trying to absolutely master everything from this set. Another thing we learned this week is that the gold Mew card is actually in the set as well. It's not just a metal promo card that's coming in the UPC. I know a lot of people were kind of disappointed about that. but now you have it. You're going to get it in the packs. It is the best gold card that you can pull. We'll talk about the pull rates in just 1 second. Unfortunately, the 2 other promo cards that are in this set are going to be in that ultra premium collection, and they were pulled from the main set. That's the special illustration rare Mew card, the pink one that's absolutely gorgeous, and then the illustration rare of the Mewtwo, which is another fantastic looking card. Those are both going to be promo cards, and you've got to pick up an ultra premium collection if you want to get those. However, I do think people will sell those off on eBay as well. People who are just trying to get their packs as cheap as possible by selling off the metal card and the promos, because you're going to need a lot of packs to finish this set, and there's going to be some fairly valuable cards in there. Although the values right now are not looking too insane. They're kind of what I would have expected. Another point of news on the 151 is that a lot of people are reporting that their Pokemon Center ETBs don't say Pokemon Center right here. The insides have all the right stuff, but it doesn't say Pokemon Center. That could be an issue later on if you're a flipper trying to flip these, or you're just a personal collector and you want to have that there. It's not there on some, so check out your boxes if you get them in from Pokemon Center and see if you have it. There's not really much you're going to be able to do about it, but if you got 2 and one says Pokemon Center and one doesn't, I would rip the one that doesn't. Currently, there's a promotion on PokemonCenter.com. If you order $30 in product, you can get this little kind of cardboard paper frame that comes with it. I don't think it's that exciting, but it is something to do with 151. So if you're interested, you can check it out and buy $30 worth of product. Unfortunately, the Elite Trainer boxes have not returned since the pre-order period. Keep a lookout for that this weekend, especially today, this afternoon, and into this evening. Make sure you follow people on Twitter like Pokemon TCG Drops if you want to know the instant that thing comes back live. At this point, with how scarce it is, I'm even thinking about FOMOing and grabbing 4 of them if it comes back again, because those Pokemon Center ETBs are a surefire investment for those of us that are keeping a few things for later to help pay for our collections. All right, let's take a look at the pull rates really quick here. We got, I'm going to go with the pull rates from TCG Player. It's a much lower amount of packs this time around because there's no booster boxes. I have a feeling that all these places that were ripping huge amounts took a large hit on the last few sets trying to make a profit by ripping and selling singles early on. So in this case, they've ripped 1,500 packs so far. I think it gives us a good idea of what to expect. So on average, they pulled a hyper rare or a gold card about 1 in 51 packs. They pulled SIR cards, special illustration rares, 1 in 32 packs. They pulled illustration rares, 1 in 12 packs. For the ultra rares or the full art cards, they pulled those about 1 in 16, and for the EX cards, about 1 in 8. And a little saving grace on some of the packs here is that about 1 in 4 packs are going to get a hollow energy. I think that those are going to be somewhat collectible because players are going to like to bling out their decks with, on average around 12 of these hollow energies. So it could pay for the pack easily. It could get you $4 back every time you pull one of these if you aren't into collecting them or playing the TCG game yourself. I do play the TCG game. I'd rather have the $4 and get some other cards. However, I will keep one complete collection of all these in the master binder for sure. I've been tracking the market value of the set on TCG Player overnight and during the day multiple times. It's actually falling much faster than I would have expected. I knew it would fall fast, but what I'm saying is some of the values of the cards are lower already than what I would have expected. Now, I definitely thought Erica's Invitation would hit $70. I didn't think it would happen on day one. I don't know. I don't think it's going to go up, maybe a little bit. I'm hoping it goes down more. I would like to see it at the $50 range. However, I do think that it has a value of around $70. I don't think it's far off. However, with it already hitting 70, I definitely think there's room for it to continue to go down. Now, the Charizard special illustration rare, that's at 130 bucks. That really hasn't moved. That's going to be a highly sought after card. I'm hoping I think eventually it will hit closer to 70, 80, but it could take a lot longer than any other card because, in English, Charizard's king, and definitely I wouldn't bet on it, quickly dropping down. You never know, though, with the way things go. Obviously, the Obsidian Flames Charizard dropped pretty quickly, and it's still continuing to drop. It's probably going to flatline a little bit already. We'll have to see how it goes. Anyways, a complete set of singles of this set right now will cost you 960 bucks. If you figure you've got to buy 250 packs to make sure you get every single card, that's going to run you closer, like $300 more than that, about 1,250 bucks. Of course, you're going to get a lot of extra cards, but you're not going to get a lot of extra cards that are high value. So yes, you could sell some of them off, but it's not going to help a great deal because you're pretty much going to get one of everything that's expensive if you bought 250 packs, and you may not even get the expensive ones that you're after. It would be a huge risk. So it's clearing away a better idea to go singles if you want to complete the set. I know that's not fun. I'm gonna rip some stuff, but when you watch like Danny Phantom rip a whole case and get practically nothing, that's not fun. I said it before, that's not fun. You don't want that. So get some for fun and then start looking at those singles. Watch them for the ones you especially want. Me, Venusaur EX, that's my favorite card in the set. I definitely want a good value. If I don't pull it, I think it's worth 30 bucks all day. So anyways, I usually do this math with this stuff. I like to see whether or not you can buy bulk and turn a profit, and almost always the answer is no. So I run the numbers through here. I figure you buy 250 packs, you're going to get one of everything and a whole bunch of other stuff. And when you factor in that whole bunch of other stuff, I think you're looking at about a value of $1,165. Now, it's going to cost you money to sell that in most cases. I usually figure it's going to cost you 13% to sell. You're looking at about $1,000 in value when you buy 250 packs. You could get less and you could get more. And I'm actually underestimating a little bit because I didn't factor in like the hollow energies, which I think you can get $2 to $4 for. And you should pull a lot of those since on average you get one every 4 packs. You could do the math quickly. 250 divided by 4 and multiply. Let's say you get $4. That's another 250 bucks. You're still not going to turn much of a profit. You're probably going to lose money in the end. Maybe break even if you're lucky. The way I did my math here was that if you spent $5 a pack, you bought 250 packs, it's going to cost you $1,300. You're going to lose $300 by the time you pull everything if you hit the averages exactly perfect. Now, if you can get your packs cheaper, $4 a pack, guess what? You're still going to lose money. So I definitely don't think that, buying bulk and ripping is the way to go to get your cards or to get money. Buy for fun and then get the singles that you need to complete your set. So I don't know if I did a good job of explaining my spreadsheet very well. If you have any questions about it, let me know and I'll try to explain them down below. Also, as far as deals go, we've all been looking for booster bundles. You can pick them up right now from Target. You're going to save 5% with a Target Red card. And you can only buy 3 at a time, but it's letting you make multiple orders. Also, if you are a Target Red card holder, or if you just have the Target Circle app, I believe, and I was able to do this right online today, There is a coupon for $15 off toys, I think if you spend $30. So if you buy 3 of these, the price is going to end up being about $70, depending on taxes, shipped to you to get 3 booster bundles, which is a pretty good deal. I hope you guys have fantastic pulls with 151. Again, let me know down below how many packs you've opened, what your hits were so far. I hope you have a great week, a great weekend. I'm going to make more videos this weekend, especially I'm going to rip that ETB, and we'll see what else. I hope you guys have a great one. We'll catch you in the next video.